Florida's rainy season is here, and while we can't control the weather, we can help you control what happens to your home. Whether it's torrential rain or strong winds, being prepared is key to avoiding costly damage. Ready to stay dry and damage-free this season? Let's talk about some easy home maintenance tips that can save you time, money, and stress. First, let's start with your gutters. Clogged gutters are a disaster waiting to happen. When rainwater can't flow freely, it can cause water to overflow and damage your roof, walls, and foundation. Be sure to clean your gutters regularly, especially after heavy winds or storms that might blow debris onto your roof. And while you're up there, check for rust or damage to your downspouts too. Next, inspect your roof. Loose or missing shingles might seem like a small issue, but they quickly turn into a big repair if left unchecked. Water can seep in through these weak points, leading to damage to your ceiling, walls, and insulation. It's a good idea to have your roof inspected professionally at least once a year, especially before our rainy season. Now look around your yard. Overhanging branches or trees close to your home can be a major risk during storms. Trim any branches that look weak, dead, or too close to windows and power lines. A fallen branch can cause serious damage to your roof or even your car. Pro tip, removing those hazards now can save you from a future insurance claim. And while you're outside, don't forget to check your foundation. Water pooling around your home can lead to flooding and foundational cracks. Make sure your yard is properly graded so water flows away from your home. You can also add downspout extenders to keep water from collecting to your foundation. Now is a great time to double check your insurance coverage. Many homeowners are surprised to learn that not all policies cover every type of weather damage. Flooding, for instance, is not covered by standard homeowners insurance policies. You may need a separate flood insurance policy even if you're not in a designated flood zone. By taking these simple preventative steps, you're not only protecting your home, but you're also reducing your chances of needing to file an insurance claim. And believe it or not, some insurance companies offer discounts for preventative maintenance measures. It's worth asking your trusted insurance advisor about potential savings. Rainy season doesn't have to mean damage and stress. A little preparation goes a long way in keeping your home safe, dry, and secure. Whether you are curious about improving your coverage, looking for advice on storm preparation, or just want peace of mind, we're here to help. Call one of our trusted insurance advisors today at 727-748-2886. Let's talk about how we can help protect what matters most every season of the year.